So what I'm doing today is working on the Qahqai side skirts and bumpers, and they're the grey trim just now. They should be black, but just in the sun they've lost a lot of their colour. So what I'm going to be doing is cleaning it up first so that it releases all the pores. There's some waxes and bits on here which are water resistant and therefore also dye resistant. So if you want to get a nice distribution of the color, nice equal color, then we've really got to clean that off. So for that I'll be using a little toothbrush to get into the corners, and also this little duck here as well. And I'm going to be using this product from Maxolen, which is an ultra clean basically cleaning agent, sprayed on, and it's absolutely brilliant for removing a lot of residues and all those things that are otherwise quite awkward. It removes oils from carpets, stuff like that, so it's going to clean up this bumper quite nicely. Just be very careful that you don't get it in your paintwork, because you'll also strip off your sealant that you might have put on recently. So what I'm going to do is just go around it and work on that first and get it nice and clean. I'll be using the toothbrush in a crosshatch pattern to make sure all those pores are released, and then after that I'm just going to wash it down with water and let it dry. Okay, we'll join you in the next part when the car's dry. So the car's now been cleaned, and what I'm going to do now is paint it with a product from Maxolen called 39S Fixing Black by Maxolen. So you can Google www.maxolen.co.uk, or just type in Maxolen into the website and you'll find them. I believe they are still open, just now still distributing. So what I'm going to do is, I've got this little paintbrush over here, which is a children's paintbrush with a little bit of foam at the end. I'm going to use that to apply the product onto this. Now, to avoid getting onto the paintwork, I'm using a piece of cardboard, and that will just slide as we're going across and protect the area. Okay, so I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, now you don't want to put too much on this, and you want to stop it from foaming, but that's what it looks like. So we're just painting it on one direction and then going in other direction, so we're crossing it so that we're getting a mixture of directions to allow it to go into any awkward little pores, etc. When I come to areas like that, there I go, pop it in and paint it, and slide it across, pop it in, paint it. Okay, there you go. Can you see how I've done that? So don't make it too difficult, just keep it nice and simple and just paint it in using different directions where you can do. Okay, I'll have this painted through 3 times altogether, and then we'll come back to it and show you what it looks like in the end. I've finished applying all the black to it. I was going to say back to black, but it's not back to black, it's Maxolen's product. And you can see it's a nice result. Still drying out, as you can see just over there. Still a wee bit of drying to go on. 24 hours from now that should be fine. Hopefully that was useful. Products we use are all from Maxolen.